How to fix Skype connection problems on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Skype connection problems on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down here until you find apps, and now click apps again, and here we'll find Skype. Click on it and then click force stop, and after that go to storage, clear cache, and now just click data usage and check all of those here. Maybe background data, you will find it like that. Allow it, and that's it. Then allow all of those, and after that just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just close all the applications in the background and then check if there is any update here, and that's it. Try again and your problem must be fixed, and that's it. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.